want to mahalo all the donors and the Maui Foundation for all the support and just being able to bless my ohana from Maui. Support has been great, I want to say, from the community, from Kamehameha schools as well. I do have a son that attends at Kamehameha Schools Maui, 3rd grade, and just the support, even to the point where counselors have called to check on my son and the family, monetary-wise, gift cards. It all has been great, and mahalo that nui. That's all I can say is, they've been great.
I would like to mahalo the donors and the Pauahi Foundation for the donations, helping out the community, especially the day after the fire. A lot of the people from my class, the school I went, Kamehameha Maui, and the foundation, it's kind of like they're there pretty much making their way as fast as they could to send resources, help, hands, even just a person to talk to. So thank you guys very much for all you guys have done.
I mean, I'm getting chicken skin just talking about it because, one of my really good brothers who went to school with me at Kamehameha Schools Maui from 1st grade is from Lahaina, Michael Kamakavivo Ole, and I know their ohana was directly impacted. So, so on many levels, there's definitely a deep kuleana to serve our Lahaina community, and it's a heavy lift and weight, but it's something that when we do as an ohana, it's something that I know we'll be able to holomua and move forward and be able to transition our Lahaina ohana to a place of healing and pona.
Through your donations across the nation, across the world, we have been able to heal, to overcome, to push forward, to ku'upau. And it is in times like this that we must pull together and continue to holomua. And so with that, we just say mahalo. Mahalo for your support. Aloha.